Hello, this is Orlando
And Lisa.
from Carry On Living. Thanks for joining us. So we've been staying at Bang Po Beach for about a week or so now,
Yeah, I almost going on 2 weeks now.
and really have enjoyed it. And want to just give you all an update on where we're staying and some of the places we've been eating at around here. It's actually a really enjoyable beach. I actually enjoyed our stay.
Yeah, it's a calm beach, very peaceful. It's not
Peaceful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. You like walking up and down the beach and entering from all the restaurants from the beach side. It's quite lovely. I think this area is just so beautiful, and you can see the mountains in the back there.
This is a little beach area where we've been staying.
Mm-hmm.
We rented a little bungalow right up front from a lovely lady, Miss Kim.
Miss Kim, she is quite lovely. Actually, this is our first time using Airbnb in Thailand, and she's a superhost. And she actually lived abroad, I believe, in Perth, Australia for 24 years. But she speaks fluent English. This is her family's property, and she's sharing it with others.
When you walk in from the street through that little gate, you'll see this massive mango tree. Actually, she told us a story. Her grandfather was eating a mango, just threw the seed, and it grew into this beautiful tree.
Yeah, the grounds are so beautiful. Lovely flowers and butterflies around. Really, really gorgeous.
And this is the sala. It's a little communal space where you get coffee, tea, any kind of condiments, utensils you might need.
Mm-hmm. You can even cook there as well. Oh, there's that flower that was blooming red all the time.
Mm-hmm. So where we're staying at that very far bungalow, there was a set of 3 up front here. And this was the view that we were waking up to every day.
So lovely. You just hear the water, from inside the little bungalow. Quite lovely to sleep to that sound.
And you can see Koh Samui in the distance there. Not too far off. It's a small island, a little to the north.
If you don't know this, Bang Po Beach is actually on the north side of Koh Samui.
This is Miss Kim talking to Lisa, and Miss Prom, who's the lady that gives massages on the beach daily when the weather's nice.
She's prepping her area to start doing a massage there.
And she actually studied, she told me, at Wat Po in Bangkok. It was very convenient to be able to leave our bungalow and walk on the beach to the local restaurant. So we we had a chance to try several of them. We've included some of our favorites. One was Som restaurant.
Yeah, very. It's a family-owned restaurant. It's her husband is the chef. We have been there several times.
Ordered. There's somtam, which is the
There's somtam.
Thai salad.
Yeah,
Is great.
is on point.
Yes.
No, there's
Thank you.
the wife. No, so very low. Oh yeah.
This is chef's soft shell crab.
Oh, hot from the heat, but wow. That's really delicious. Wow. My tummy's happy.
These garlic deep fried pork pieces are great. Little golden pieces of happiness. Really good. And then these little soft shell crab. Perfect. Perfect. Really good.
Definitely recommend Som's restaurant and their fried ice cream as well.
So, Mr. Doon's, this was a restaurant. It's been here for 30 years. Then there's the rice soup that I had. Really delicious, fresh vegetables in it.
Yeah, several restaurants around there, and beach bars, and it really changes from the daytime to the night. It's interesting. This was another one that we went to, Bangpo Seafood Restaurant. Just look for the swordfish with the hat on the end, and great food here as well. Another great restaurant.
So wonderful.
Fish cake.
This one, Talman Pla, the Thai fish cakes. Quite delicious. As I'm saying, yes.
What's that?
Of course, no meal is complete without somtam.
That is good. Okay, here we go. Next meal.
We got what did we get? Prawns and a tamarind sauce.
Those were so delicious, let me tell you.
Prawns and the tamarind sauce.
Our cute little server.
Thank you.
Everything okay?
It's great. Thank you so much.
Look at that. They gave us some nice fruit at the end of our meal.
That's nice.
Nice sweet pineapple.
Very lovely place.
Definitely coming back again.
And then at night we would walk the beach up to the local restaurants and grab a cocktail or two or three.
We certainly did. And this was the cute little kind of like art cafe bar. Cool decor and artwork inside.
Yeah, they serve a good breakfast as well. All-day breakfast.
Really good. I guess you consider it a American breakfast, European breakfast.
And then one of our favorite places to get mojitos and other beverages.
Yes, Cherish restaurant, hands down, really good cocktails.
This is some of the best I've had in Thailand, even better than Bangkok. Some of the rooftop bars we went to.
Oh my gosh, so much better than those Bangkok rooftop bars.
The service was great. There was Angelo, who's very attentive, and
Miss Vera, she's lovely too. She chatted with us for a bit.
So at Cherish, Wednesdays at 6:30 and Sundays, they have live music.
Not only did we enjoy, of course, their wonderful cocktails, but the food is excellent as well. In fact, I had this one dish, wish I got a video of it, but it was a spicy mixed seafood salad with wonderful Thai herbs. Quite delicious.
our bartender was the man. He can definitely make a drink.
Yeah, that's his name, man.
His name was Man, yeah. And there he is, making drinks. I swear, he can make any drink. It was on point. It was great.
Yeah, there he is. I mean, you need to go here for his cocktails. They're excellent. Hands down, consistently always good. Always good. So, I have to say, it's probably one of our favorite places.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
We will make sure to leave details and links in the description. Like and subscribe.
Cheers.